Don't know how to join a meeting in Zoom, or don't know how to schedule a meeting or host it? Looking for some help? So you're at the right place. Welcome to Eduwatch Channel, where we share tips, ideas and knowledge. In this video, I am going to tell you how to download the Zoom app, how to sign in, how to join a meeting, how to schedule a meeting, how to share a screen. It's a full-fledged tutorial video for Zoom. So keep watching. Before starting with the video, if you're visiting this channel for the first time, then please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So, here we go. For joining, hosting or scheduling a meeting on Zoom app, you need the Zoom app, correct? So, Android users can download the app from Play Store, and Windows users just go to Google, search for Zoom for Windows, and download the Zoom app. Zoom installation is very quick, so here it is. So it's downloading. It will take hardly a minute. It's downloaded and installed. Here it go. Very quick. Isn't that great? So this is Zoom screen. So for join a meeting, there is directly join a meeting without signing in or creating our ID account. So you can join a meeting by entering the meeting ID, which will be given by your host, or the link. Anyways, it works. You can write your name, which you want to show to everyone. You can remember my name for future fittings. You can check this box. You can check do not connect to audio, or if you want so, or you can do not turn off my video if you want so. And then click on join. It will throw you to the meeting. Either you can do that directly, or you can go to sign in option. You can enter your email ID and your password. Click on keep me signed in if you want to be signed in this app, and click on sign in, and you will be entered in the meeting in the Zoom app. But if you're a new user, you have not yet registered with Zoom app, click on sign up free button. Click on sign up free button. Then this here you can see it have brought me onto the browser page. Here you have to choose a date, birth date. I'm just choosing a random birth date. Okay, and you have to click on continue. You enter your email ID. You can enter it with these three options: sign with SSO, sign with Google, sign with Facebook. Any of the options will work, and you can click on sign up. They will be sending you the confirmation link to your mailbox. Go to the link into your mailbox. Go onto the link and it will open and will verify your email and your account will be created. Even if you did not receive the email, click on resend another email. Okay, I'm not doing anything because I already have my account, so I'm just logging it. I'm just logging in sign in Zoom app. I'm not doing anything. I'm just logging in Zoom app. So here I go. I'm just writing my email and password. Don't see my password. I know it's not visible yet. I'm clicking my keep and me signed in because I mostly use it. This is your Zoom app. This is Zoom app. Here you can see there is home button, there is chat box, there is meetings, there is contacts, a search box, and a profile page where you have different settings. So we'll go to Zoom home app. Here you have a new meeting option. There you can start with the video using my personal ID. Any option will work. Or you can join. Same. You write your meeting ID or the post or enter through a personal link name. This is for join a meeting. Now going to schedule a meeting. Just click on schedule meeting. Write the topic of your meeting, whatever you want to remember for what the meeting is. Anything what you feel like. I'm writing Zoom tutorial. You can write the start date if you wish. It's like if you wish to, like if it's for from today to next 1 week or whenever it will be, just choose the date. Choose the timing when the meeting will be started or something. You can either choose the duration also, 30 minutes or 1 hour, how much you want. You can choose it in a duration. Okay. Yeah, Zoom basic plan is for 40 minutes if you are meeting with more than 3 participants. If you're meeting with 3 or more participants. If you are meeting with a 1 person or 1 or 2 person, then it's fine. You can go on and on in a meeting. You can also click on recurring meeting option, which will recur your meeting every single day or whenever or whatever option you have chosen for. Meeting ID, you can click on generate automatically or personal meeting ID, anything which you wish for. And there is a password which is mandatory now. Earlier it was not, but now it is updated version, so it is mandatory. You have to create one password. Then video for the host, you can keep it on, you can off. Participants, you can keep it on, you can off as per your wish. Now calendar. This meetings are scheduled in your calendars. If you want, it can schedule in Outlook, Google Calendar, or other calendars wherever you wish to. Just choose it as per your wish. Now there are some few advanced options. Basically, there is enable waiting room. Enable waiting room means before you're joining, you can make an enable waiting room so that people can wait there and the waiting will not start and nothing will appear. No one can talk to each other, nothing. It will just, they will wait outside kind of. Enable join before host. The people can join before the host only, and they can, other people, if there are more than 2-3 people, they can talk, they can communicate with themselves and whatever they wish to. So basically in schools, if the lectures for some school session kind of, from college session kind of, you can click on this so they can interact with each other and have a good time with each other if you are not joining early. So you can make this option ready. Or you can mute participants upon entry so you can talk properly, because due to if you're not muting the participants, there will be a lot of noises. And you can also click on automatically record meeting on the local computer or on your phone, wherever you wish to. It's very optional. And you click on schedule, it will be scheduled. I'm not clicking on that, and it will be scheduled. Now share screen option. In share screen, you have to first be entered into a meeting, then only you can share your screen, otherwise not. So I'm going to tell you this later. Now going to chat box. This is a very good option. So while your video meeting or your video conferencing, you can also talk to the people. I will show you. Before that, we just go to a video conference. I just show you how to do it. And I have just created one meeting for you for the example. Join with computer audio. I'm not doing that because I'm recording the video or recording the audio. So I'm not doing it. You can just click on this so your microphone will be enabled. Now join audio. Just click on this. So it will show you join with computer audio. Join audio is an option where you can mute or unmute yourself. There are many other options which you will see. Wait, I shall enable it. Wait. It's mute. Unmute. I'm unmuting it. You can see microphone array, same as system, speakers, real text, same as system, test speaker and microphone. These are all other options. You can select your speaker, you can select your microphone, you can test your speaker and microphone, you can switch to phone audio as well, and even you can leave computer audio as well. There are even audio settings. There's a few audio settings which you can check for if you wish. And start video. Then click on this, it will show your video, it will share your video. If you again click on this, it will stop your video sharing. You can choose a camera, you can choose a virtual background. If you have a green background, you can choose a virtual background and you can show something else which you wish to. And there are even the video settings for that. Then there is security option, lock meeting, enable waiting room, chat, share screen, which you want to participants to do while you're holding a session. Then you can see your participants over here. Who are your participants? All the list will be here. Okay. Then there is chat option. Chat option where you can talk to everyone, or if there are more participants in a meeting, you can just choose them and you can click on them and you can just talk to them personally. Okay. So there's a very interesting option. You can do it like this, talk to them personally. You can even attach a file and share it on the chat box, so it will be downloaded while the session is going on. Okay, this is very good option. Now the share screen option. In share screen, you can choose either screen, your whiteboard, your iPhone pad, or any of the screen which you have opened right now will be okay. If you use whiteboard, I'm sharing the whiteboard. You can see there is whiteboard. You can write anything. You can draw if you wish to. You can draw. You can write something. Just click on this. You can write. You can write whatever you wish to. You can choose the color of that writing. You can erase it. If you want, you can click on spotlight so you can show it what you want to show. You can clear your already drawings, your drawings, or the viewer's drawing, whatever you wish to. Okay, and even you can save whatever you write on the whiteboard, you can save it wherever you want. Okay, that's very interesting for the classrooms or the session where you want to teach something. And even if you click on screen, that will share your computer screen, whole computer screen, whatever you want. If you want to show a single step of a screen, so you can choose on screen. And if you want to just show individual, like I want to just show the opera, just show the screen to the participants. So I will click on just one screen and it will just show this one screen only. And I will click on stop share, it will stop my screen sharing. Then again, one participant can share at a time, or multiple participants can share simultaneously. Any option will work. If you are the host, you can record the session. If you're not the host, then you have to ask for permission from the host. So here it goes. This is all the things. It is very easy. Just sign in, unmute, and start the video. And here you are. You can chat, participate, and share your screen, whatever you wish to. Okay. So, and you can click on end meeting for all if you're the host, or you can leave meeting. It will show only with the participants who want to leave meeting. Click on leave meeting and you are done. This way, if you are recording your video, your session, then it will show like this. I hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment to it. Thank you. We'll meet you in the next session.